Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's multi-country inventory. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, Amazon's multi-country inventory MCI program is a fantastic tool for expanding your business into international markets. However, managing your inventory across different countries requires some hands-on involvement. Here's how you can do it. Start by logging into your Seller Central account. Navigate to the Inventory section and select Sell Globally. This is where you'll manage your inventory placement by country. If you want to send your inventory to the UK or Europe, simply click on Send to UK and Europe. From here, you can arrange shipments to Amazon's fulfillment centers in these regions. But it doesn't stop there. If you're looking to expand into other countries, you'll need to register for those specific marketplaces within the Sell Globally section. After you've completed the registration, you can access the marketplace dashboard for each country. This is where you'll go to manage your inventory, create listings, and develop shipment plans tailored to each market. Managing inventory across multiple countries can be a bit complex, but it's a crucial step in ensuring that your products are available to customers worldwide. By strategically placing your inventory in Amazon's fulfillment centers in various regions, you'll be able to reduce shipping times and costs, enhance the customer experience, and increase your global sales potential. Remember, each country's marketplace operates slightly differently, so take the time to understand the specifics of each region where you're selling. This attention to detail will help you optimize your inventory management and maximize your sales across all your international markets. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.